In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Chrome toolbar back. We've all been there. You open up your browser, and suddenly that familiar toolbar, full of your favorite shortcuts and essential buttons, seems to have vanished into thin air. But don't worry, we're going to get it back step by step. So, let's dive in. First, let's start with something straightforward. Sometimes the toolbar goes missing because the browser window is not maximized. To tackle this, try maximizing the Chrome window by clicking the square icon located at the upper right corner of the window. If you see two small overlapping squares, it means the window is already maximized, so you can move on to the next step. Now, if that doesn't solve the problem, the toolbar might be hidden due to the full screen mode. Check whether Chrome is in full screen mode by looking for the F11 icon on your keyboard. By pressing F11, you can quickly toggle between full screen and windowed modes. Hitting F11 again should bring that toolbar back if full screen mode was indeed the culprit. Another possibility is that certain extensions could be conflicting with the Chrome toolbar. Extensions add fantastic functionality, but can sometimes interfere with what you see in your browser. To address this, go ahead and click on the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome to open the menu. From there, head over to More Tools and then to Extensions. Take a good look at the list and toggle off a few of the extensions, especially any recent ones you've added. Check each time if your toolbar reappears. Moving along, restarting the browser can also do the trick. It's a classic IT solution. Close down all of your Chrome windows completely. This means making sure it's not running in the background. Once it's fully closed, go ahead and open Chrome again. Sometimes a simple restart is all it needs to refresh your settings and bring back missing features. Now, if you're still having trouble, you might want to reset Chrome back to its default settings. But be aware, resetting Chrome will turn off extensions and remove temporary data like cookies. So, if you're okay with that, find your way again to the three-dot menu, click on Settings, followed by Reset and Cleanup on the left-hand side. Then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Follow the prompts and restart the browser once more. With any luck, your toolbar should now be visible once again. It's always a good idea to keep your browser updated to prevent these issues from occurring in the future. Ensuring Chrome is running the latest version can prevent many of these glitches. Hopefully, these steps have helped get your Google Chrome toolbar back where it belongs. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.